In today's video, I will teach you how to see what your future child will look like using AIEs. Let's get started. With AIEs, a free AI-powered tool, you can upload photos of two parents and let artificial intelligence create a virtual prediction of your future baby. Whether you're just curious or want to have some fun with your partner, this tool makes it incredibly easy and intuitive. First, open your browser and visit the AIE's Baby Generator tool. Now we're going to upload the first parent's photo. Here you'll see two upload buttons, one for each parent. So click the first upload button and select a photo of one parent. And make sure to use a clear front-facing image, make sure the face is well lit, and avoid sunglasses, masks, filters, or extreme angles. Now repeat the same process by clicking the second upload button and choosing a photo of the other parent. The order in which you upload the images doesn't matter, and the AI will still generate the same baby preview. Once both images are uploaded, click the Generate button. And AIEs will now process the images using its AI model and show a preview of your future baby. After the initial image is created, a customization panel will appear on the left side. Here, you can change the baby's gender, select the baby's age, and adjust the skin tone, and even re-upload or swap parent images. But take note that you'll need to upgrade your subscription if you want to regenerate the baby photo with your new settings. The initial preview is free, but advanced personalization requires a premium plan. And once you're happy with the results, simply click the download button, and the image will be saved to your computer with a watermark. With AIE's AI Baby Generator, you can get a fun, lifelike preview in just a few clicks. Whether you're doing it for laughs, love, or curiosity, this tool is fast, easy, and surprisingly accurate. If you want to try it out, head to aies.ai/app/ai-baby and start creating your little digital bundle of joy. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.